Hello students, this is Shanatan sir, and in this lesson we are going to learn a important chapter, matrix measures. So at first we have to know what is a matrix measure. Think that if you want to buy some rice, then you have to go to some shop. Simply we can ask, give me 2 or 3 rice. Always we have to say, give me 2 kg or 3 kg rice. So here we are using the what kg. So this is the unit and this is the metric unit. Understood everyone? Now in metric measure there are only 3 unit, main basic 3 unit for length. For length, it's meter. For weight, it's gram. And for volume, it's liter. So there are 3 basic units. For length, it's meter. For weight, it's gram. And for volume, it's liter. Now I am going to draw a chart that you can understand easily. If I write here basic unit, basic. So here 3 basic unit already we known: meter, second gram, and third liter. So now from the basic, if we go right hand side, then we always get lesser unit. And if I go left hand side from basic, we always get higher unit. So from meter, if we go right hand side, then we will get deci, next centi, and next milli. Similarly, if we go left hand side from basic, then we will get here deca, here hecto, and here kilo. Now it can be read as a kilometer, hectometer, decameter, decimeter, centimeter, and millimeter. Similarly, if we use weight, then we have to say always kilogram, hectogram, decagram, decigram, centigram, as well as milligram. And if we use volume, then always you have to say kiloliter, hectoliter, decaliter, deciliter, centiliter, and also milliliter. Understood everyone? This is the most higher unit of meter, and this is the most lowest unit of meter. Similarly, the most higher unit or highest unit of gram or weight, always it's kilogram, and lowest unit always of a weight is milligram. Similarly, for volume, the highest unit will be kiloliter and the lowest unit will be always milliliter. Now simply kilometer can be written as a km. Meter can be written only using this sign m. Now centimeter cm and millimeter am. For length, the most used 4 unit: kilometer, meter, centimeter, and millimeter. And for weight, always it's most use gram, gm, centigram, and milligram. And for volume, there are only two most important unit are always uses. One is liter and other is milliliter. Liter can be written only using L. Understood everyone? Now I am going to draw a chart. Using this chart, you can easily convert any metric measurement, any types of metric measurement. Just try to understand. Here is at first kilometer, next hectometer, next decameter, next only meter, next decimeter, next centimeter, and next millimeter. Now, if I go from left to right or from higher to lower, always we have to multiply by 10. If I go from kilometer to hectometer, then we have to multiply by 10. Next, if I go from hectometer to decameter, then we have to multiply by again 10. For each unit we have to multiply by 10 for each unit. Understood everyone? So here also 10 we have to multiply, here also multiply by 10, here also 10, here also 10. Now if I go to from lowest to higher, then always we have to divide. So from right to left, lowest to highest, then always we have to divide by 10. So here should be again 10, here also divide by 10, here also divide by 10, here and also here we have to divide by 10. Now if I convert from decameter to decimeter, then from decameter to decimeter, then just count how many unit here. From deca to deci, then meter 1 unit, then deci 2 unit. So 10 into 10, so 100. Easily you can find multiply by 100. Simply if you want to convert meter to kilometer, so from meter, from here to here, then just count how many unit here. From meter, so just except meter, count how many unit here. 1 2 3. So how many 10 here? 1 2 3. So 10 310. 310 means 10 into 10 100, 100 into 10,000. So you have to divide because you are going from right to left. So in this case you have to divide, or from lesser to higher. So how many unit here? 1 2 3. So right here only 30 after 1. Now try to solve some question, then you can solve easily. Here is the question number A. Write the following as a decimal of centimeter. So here is given in millimeter. So we have to go left hand side because here is the chart. Here is millimeter, but we have to go centimeter. Then from right to left we have to divide by 100, or from lesser to higher always we have to divide by 100. So just here is 518, so we have to divide by 100, and here is 10. 10 means here is 10. 10 means only 10 after 1. Then this types of divide you can solve easily. Here is only 0, so you have to write a point before one digit. So from right hand side, so here is 8, just put only point in this place, then it's your answer. So 51.8 centimeter. Understood everyone? Now try to solve this question. Here is 6 centimeter, already it's 6 centimeter. Now here plus 7 millimeter. 7 millimeter means 7 by 10 centimeter and 6 centimeter plus 7 by 10. So we have to put a point before one digit. So here is only single digit. So 0.7 centimeter. Now add them simply. So 6.7 centimeter. This is our final answer. Understood everyone? Now try to solve another question. Question number B. Here is the given question. B 274 milligram, and the question is write the following as a decimal of gram. So this is the chart, and here is meter basic unit, but we have to using here weight unit. So here also gram. Now from milligram to gram, so just count from milligram to gram. So how many unit here? 1, 2, 3. So we have to divide or multiply. Always we have to divide, because we are going to now from lesser to higher or from right to left. So in this case we have to divide. How many 0 after 1? 1, 2, 3 units. So we have to put 3 0. So divide 74 by 103 and this gram. So what is the final answer? Here is 30 after 1 in denominator place. So we have to put a point before 3 digit from right hand side in numerator. So put here extra 10. Now it's a 3 digit. So just simply put here 0.074 gram. This is our answer. Now try to solve another question, and the next question is 4 of B 5 gram to 55 milligram. We have to convert in gram. So here also 5 gram given, 5 gram plus 255 milligram, and we just solve from milligram to gram. Always we have to divide by 1000. So 255 by 1000 gram. Now here is 30 after 1 in denominator places. So you have to put a point before 3 digit. So 5 gram plus 0.255 gram. Now simply add them and we will get 5.255 gram. This is our final answer. Now you can solve easily. Now try to solve question number C. And here is the given question. Write the following as a decimal of a liter. So here is given milliliter, but we have to convert in liter. So what is the table? Here is the table: kiloliter, hectoliter, decaliter, then liter. Now deciliter, next centiliter, and last milliliter. So I am now in milliliter, but we have to convert in liter. So we have to go from right to left hand side. Now just count how many unit here. 1 unit, 2 unit, 3 unit, and we are going from right to left. So in this case we have to divide. So how many unit? 3 unit. So just put 30 after 1. So now the problem, 75 by 1000 liter. So 75 by 1000. Now you can divide easily. Here 30 in denominator. So you have to put a point after before 3 digit from right hand side. So just put extra 0 here. Now it's 3 digit number. Now only put a point here. So our final answer is 0.75 liter. Understood everyone? Now and simply solve question number 6. Here is 15 liter also given. So write here 15 liter plus 5 millimeter. That's mean 5 by 1000 liter. Now here is 30 after 1 in denominator place. So you have to put a point before 3 digit from right hand side in numerator. So write extra 20 here. So 15 liter plus 0.005 liter. Now add them, we get 15.005 liter easily. So this is our answer. Understood everyone? Now try to solve question number D2. Here is the given question. Write the following as a decimal of meter. So here is given in centimeter, but we have to write in meter. So at first try to write the table. If you remember the table, then easily you can solve those types of problem. So write here kilometer, hectometer, next decameter, next meter, next decimeter, centimeter and millimeter. Now I am in centimeter, but we have to go from centimeter to meter. Then how many unit here? Only 2 unit. So we have to either multiply or divide by 100. Now we are going from right to left. So in this case we have to divide. So now simply divide 250 by 100. Then we get here is 20. So put a point before 2 digit. So 1, 2. So put a point this place. And this is our final answer. Understood everyone? Now try to solve question number 7 of D. Here is the given 25 meter also. So write here 25 meter. Now 25 centimeter and 5 millimeter. So at first from centimeter to meter, only 2 units are. So we have to divide by 100 here. And for millimeter, now I am in millimeter. So from here to meter, so we have to divide 1, 2, 3. So by 1000. Now put point. So here 25 meter plus how many digit here? 2 and here 20. So you have to put a point before 2 digit. So 25 actually. Now here how many 0 here? 30. So you have to put a point before 3 digit. So write here extra 2 digit. Now 0.005 meter. So our answer, now add them simply. 25.255 meter. This is our final answer. And you know how to add decimal places number. If you have any problem for adding decimal places number, then tell me. I will try to give another video for decimal number, adding or subtracting. Understood everyone? Now try to solve question number E. And the given question, write the following as a decimal of kilometer. So here is given meter. So here is meter now. But we have to write as a decimal of kilometer. So from meter to kilometer we have to go left hand side. I mean from lesser to higher side. So in this case we have to divide. Now count how many 0 here. So from meter to how many unit here? 1, 2, 3. So you have to put here 30. So you have to divide 48 by 1000. Now here is 30 in denominator after 1. So you have to put extra 0. Now how many digit here? 1, 2, 3 and also here 3 digit 30. Now put point before 3 digit and it's 0.048 meter. This is our final answer. Now try to solve question number 5. Here is 14 kilometer already given. Now we have to convert 14 meter, and from meter to kilometer we have to divide by 1000. How many 0 here? 30. So you have to put a point before 3 digit in numerator. So here is only 2 digit. So write a extra 0 in left hand side. Now 14 kilometer plus 0.014 kilometer. Now simply add them and we will get 14.014 kilometer. This is our final answer. Understood everyone? Now you can solve all the problem of exercise number 6.1 of metric measurement. If have you any problem, then WhatsApp or call me anytime. Okay, bye. Thank you.